back to another weekend. I don't know what days I'll be posting these videos up, but I'll try my weekends. Today is another Sunday. All the car meet. We got some special cars. We got something. So my favorite out of the whole show right now is this guy right here. This thing is sick. And then today we got this nice little punch buggy. Pretty dope. Got the old Pepsi can up there. Pepsi toolbox.
Oh, yeah.
These are pretty dope, especially from Puerto Rico. You got the Puerto Rican flag. You know he's Puerto Rican, but it's dope. And you got the 280. I took some shots of this. It's fire. He actually got a whole custom interior. Got carbon fiber fenders. It's pretty dope. It's pretty awesome. The interior is pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know much about motorcycles, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty skinny. Sorry about the wind. Later today we got Week Fest, so hopefully I'll go there. Maybe, but like I'll say maybe like at 3 o'clock I'll be there, 3, 4, because I'm gonna try and get the people rolling out. That's always a fun thing. Maybe I'll go inside, see some cars, take some shots of the cars. But for today, right now actually, that's my favorite. And the Beetle is definitely one of my favorites. That's a good shot actually right here. Old Volkswagen. I think it's a GTI? GLI? No, GTI.